Just a quick video on the Jeep center caps, the older ones that are aggravating and that many people have lost throughout the years, and many people don't bother to put them back on because, well, it's not that easy. These screws rust out, they get damaged. You can't just pop them on the wheel. You have to actually use retainers, in this case screws, that come through the back of the wheel into the center cap. And so I'm replacing one, and I have a quick fix for it that I'll show you. So the first thing you want to look for is make sure that you have all of these metal retaining clips that slide over these plastic lugs. There's a couple of different models of this center cap, and some of them only have the 3, and then some have 5. So this one has 5. I bought this replacement on eBay, and I made sure it had all of the metal retainers. Solution that I found is a number 12 1/2-inch sheet metal screw. You really need stainless steel to keep these things from rusting, but we're going to use metal for now. And then they will just screw right in to these metal lugs. Center cap lined up with one. I left it a little bit loose so I can move it around and get the other 4 in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Number 12 by 1/2-inch sheet metal screws. They work great. Okay, that looks much better. And I will do a future video on how to replace these fender flares, the factory fender flares. I have parts ordered for that. So if you like these videos, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time.